Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update all the apps on your Android phone. Now, I would recommend swiping down from the top right and pressing and holding on the Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Of course, when you download those apps, it'll take up lots of data, so make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Next, we're going to find the Google Play Store. You can see there it is right there, or you can just swipe up and then navigate around to the Play Store right there. Once you're in the Google Play Store, we can tap on your profile at the top right. Of course, just make sure you're signed in. You can see I'm signed into my account. And now we'll be able to update all of those apps by tapping on where it says Manage Apps and Device. And now from here, you can see it says updates available, 7 updates pending. And I'm going to tap on the basically see details, or just tap on it, and I'll be able to see all of the apps that need to be updated. Now I can choose to update them individually or all at once. I can just tap on update and it will start to do that one, or I can go through and update them all at once just by tapping on update all. Now keep in mind, after you've done that and waited for those to update, if you have a Samsung phone, keep in mind there's another place that you can update apps. So on your Samsung phone, we're going to go to the Store app here and open up the Galaxy Store and then tap on Menu at the bottom right. And there is updates. You can see this is not in the Google Play Store, so I need to update this separately. Just tap on Update All, and now all of the apps will be updated. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.